Hello, welcome to Renegade RV. I'm Dwayne Kazmierzak, Director of Sales and Marketing, and I'm here with Regional Sales Manager Tim O'Connell. And we are here inside the plant today, and we're going to walk you through a brand new 2021 Renegade Valencia 38BB. Take it away, Tim.
Thanks, Dwayne. So you can't build a motorhome without a chassis platform, so let's talk about that. This is the Freightliner Custom Chassis Corporation's S2RV chassis. This is a Super C base model entry for our Valencia product offering. This is a 6.7 liter ISB engine. It's a Cummins, 360 horsepower. You have a 3000 mH motorhome Allison transmission. That is a 6-speed. It's automatic. Generates up to 800 foot-pounds of torque, and this coach can tow up to 12,000 pounds. Now, as we move forward, we're going to talk a little bit about some safety. Here I want to show you the high-intensity LED headlamp assemblies. Also, as you come back, you're going to see these turn signal cameras here. One on either side, they're full color, so they're very detailed. You also have a nice marker light here for more visibility. You have your 22.5-inch wheel and tire. These are Bridgestones. This is a steer tire. That's what you should have on the front of the vehicle. You have your nice convex mirror, and you have your full measure side mirrors here. These are also adjustable from inside the cab and heated. So here is the RV entry door, and you have 2 points of security here. You have a standard lock and a deadbolt. Also, you have a nice electric step here. You got a nice rubber grip here, strong, safe entry assistance handle. As we move here, you're going to notice that this is a storage bay, but you also have your 3,000 watt hybrid inverter. That's very nice. It allows you to upgrade to lithium batteries if you choose. Makes things a little bit easier. So as we transition further back here, we're going to talk about the outside entertainment system. This is a 2-stage door. This opens up, so you have your television, your AM, FM, CD, and DVD player, and radio, so you can enjoy movie and the like. As we move back, and you notice the large cavities here and of storage and the ability to carry a lot of cargo. The storage doors that we manufacture here are 090 aluminum. They're also insulated, and there are 2 points of attachments here when they latch. So you have a top and you have a bottom here. You're also going to notice the expanse. It's also lit, and you're also going to notice that there's an outlet in there. So it makes it very convenient with an out port if you want to run an extension cord. So as we transition back, this is just another bay, a little bit deeper. You're going to see your Suburban water heater here, and we also have the 10-gallon hot water tank. As we move back further, you're going to see more storage, and then right there in the corner here up front, you're also going to see a quick LP disconnect, which is very convenient with that trap door. As we come to the very back, you also have quite a bit more storage here. Again, the 2 points of latching, it makes it really secure. There's a lot of storage here, a lot. Now let's talk about the exterior. Renegade on the Valencia offers 4 exterior decor colors. This happens to be the crimson, but you have 4 choices. You have your frameless windows throughout on this coach, and you do have your standard awning that's outside. Now that is a Girard awning, and like I mentioned earlier, it is an LED light. This is really a nice coach, very, very pretty. And as we transition to the back of the coach, first thing I want to point out is that color rear backup camera, and just above that is your third brake light, so it makes everything visible. You have your nice marker lights up there. Those are all LED lights. So transition down the cap, you'll notice the brake lights on either side. Those are also LED. And this is the lower portion of the cap. This is the bumper portion. So if you have any exposure, you're going to be working on less things, if you will. That being said, you have your 2-inch receiver. That's a 12,000 pound capacity hitch. Has a 1,200 pound tongue weight. And you also have your Bargeman 7-way for your brake lights on your trailer and or your car. And this is the exhaust for your generator. Also, you'll see you have 2 backup lights here as well. So as we approach the roadside of the coach, this is our 50 amp shore cord. It's on an automated reel, so it makes it very convenient if it's cold outside You don't have to mess with that. It rolls up very nicely. Also, a lot of added storage. And tucked inside there, you're going to see our RV Power Protection Transfer Switch. That's a surge guard protector that protects all the electronics in the coach. As we move over to here, you're going to see the Onan Cummins 8,000 kilowatt generator. This is more than capable of powering everything in this coach if you're going to be boondocking and the like. As we go forward here, you're going to see the wet bay. Now the wet bay is very nice. You have a whole house water filter system, which is really nice to have. You also have a spray away, you have your low point drain, your spigot, and you have your gray water and black water tank dump poles here. Also, you'll notice that everything is water jetted out, so you don't have to worry about stickers falling off or not knowing what the purpose of that item is. This is very simple. This is your 75-gallon gray tank, 75-gallon black tank, in conjunction with the 150 gallons of fresh water that's in the coach underneath the bed. As we move forward, you're going to see the LP tank here. This is an all LP coach, so your primary heating source is a liquid propane furnace, and your hot water heater is also liquid propane. As we move forward again, you have your battery bay. On the left-hand side are your batteries for your chassis, and on the right-hand side are your coach batteries. Also tucked inside there is a nice little air chuck, and there's a hose there to, if you have a flat tire or you need to pump anything up. And as we approach the cab, you're going to see the depth fill here, and you're also going to see an engine block here, which is really convenient, and the steps. Now, unlike the M2106, which has saddle tanks, and those fuel tanks are here, towards the back, just behind the rear axle, you're going to find the 100-gallon diesel fuel fill for the S2RV. Let's take a look inside. Now we're in the cab. These are very comfortable. It's not very foreign. As a traditional Class A motorhome where you're up front, like we mentioned earlier, this gives you a little bit more security. You feel more comfortable driving. It's a basic chassis, and this is the S2RV. It is a Freightliner chassis. So all your components are here. So this is your Allison push-button 6-speed transmission. You have your air brake here. You have your power windows and locks. You have your equalizer system here. That's your landing gear. That is Bluetooth enabled, so you can operate that from your smartphone and or tablet. Your locks, your climate control for your cab, your vents. You have a 12-volt outlet here, and you also have a USB port here. If you add a backup trailer camera, you can activate that there. This is also equipped with the Garmin module here, so that is your audio. This is your backup camera and your navigation port. It's also removable, so a passenger can utilize it in that respect. But full color, very, very nice, and integrated with the coach. So as we come out of the cockpit and transition into the living quarter, I want to show you a nice adjustable overhead bunk here. This will sleep up to 2 children very comfortably, but this makes it really nice and easy to transition out of the cab. Now as we come this way, you're going to notice that this is the cabinet for your AV equipment and the like, and you can add a lot of things because it's pre-wired HDMI as well. Nice little cubby here for your remote controls. Here you have your 39-inch LED TV and your sound bar. Now this is on an articulating arm, so it gives you an optimal viewing angle from wherever you may be sitting in the coach. Makes it really nice. So we're on the road side of the coach, and this is the primary living quarter slide. And this slide encompasses the 72-inch sofa. Now this is a sofa sleeper, so it turns into a queen sleeping solution. This also has 3 seat belts. As we go back a little bit further, you'll notice the multiplex system. There are multiple locations for this in all of our models, and it's all touchscreen, and it is smartphone adaptable. As we move back here, this is the dinette. It's a booth dinette, 4-person dinette, 2 forward-facing seat belts. Also, you have your solar shade, which is your day shade, and you have your night shade here, so blackout. This pushes down and creates a sleeping solution, and this coach is capable of sleeping 9 people. That's a lot of people. It's a great coach for a family, great coach to have fun in. So now we're across from the dinette, and all Valencias come standard with washer dryer prep. And if you don't have washer dryer in that option, you have a lot of storage and shelving. So as we move forward, let's talk about the kitchen appliances. This is a residential counter depth 19 cubic foot refrigerator. Freezer on top, refrigerator on the bottom. Got a nice safety lock here to keep things in when you're traveling. Let's talk about the microwave. This is a convection microwave. You also have just below that your 3-burner LP. These are sealed burners, and you have added solid surface countertop pieces to go over this to give your countertop a little bit more space. When we talk about that, we also have a high-rise adjustable faucet. Those are really nice and convenient, very residential. And you also have your solid surface covers here to expand your countertop. So all Valencias come with soft close drawers. Very residential. If we go back here in this cabinet here, it's a single location for all your fuses and all your breakers. Easily accessible, simple to access. So if you have any questions or any concerns, you have your unlimited roadside assistance benefits that are here for this coach, and any of your Renegade contact information. So we are in a Valencia 38BB, and that means a bunkhouse. And it's typical. These are 2 bunks. You have 3 storage drawers underneath. They have a USB port and 110 there, and you have 2 exit windows, 1 for each bunk. To the right here is going to be your full bathroom. So you have at the top, you have your medicine cabinet and storage. As you transition down, you have a nice countertop and solid surface sink. To the right is your shower, and then you also have your china bowl toilet. So now we've entered the master bedroom, and in the master bedroom you have a king bed, 150 gallons of water is underneath this mattress. You have a lot of overhead storage. You have solid surface countertops throughout. That does include these nightstands on either side. And you have 110 outlet and USB outlets on both sides. Above the bed, for simple control, you have a multiplex controller that is similar to the ones throughout this coach. As we move over to the left here, you have closets that are self-lit. So when you open the door, they light up. You have your LED TV, you have your day and night shade, and this is also your emergency escape hatch. And you have a nice 110 outlet there for convenience if you need to utilize that. Below that are some drawers, and you have your AV controls. Wanted to say thanks for joining me today and taking the time to view this video. If you have any other questions, please visit us at www.renegaderv.com. We're there to help. Love to see you be a Renegade owner.
Thanks again, Tim, for another great video. And thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. That way you'll get notifications on all the latest Renegade videos. We'll see you again real soon. Bye now.